guys, Larie here. Welcome or welcome back. Today's video, we are gonna tackle this disastrous play area. The rest of the house is usually tidy, pretty tidy. All right, that is the living room, right? You see that? Tidy. Kitchen, tidy. Dining room, tidy. But when we get to this sunroom, this toy area is getting out of control. It's gotten out of control. I used to keep this as tidy, but I found over time, since my kids are getting a little older, they can protest and ask for things. And when mommy starts cleaning, what are you doing? So I sat them down. I had a talk with them. I told them we're going to clean up this play area, and anything that they don't miss, we either donate or toss. So what I'm going to do is round up everything that I no longer want to look at. I'm going to put it in a large clear bag. I'm going to take it out to the garage, and we're going to leave it there. And if the kids don't miss it, it's going to go. If they ask for it, it will be there. Overall, my plan is to just get rid of it, but get rid of it slowly. I don't want to just toss their things because if they're things, but this is getting out of hand. And I find when it's this messy, because these last few weeks I've been like, have at it, kids. Found myself cleaning 2-3 times a day whenever they get home from school. So what I've decided to do is just clean this out as much as I feel content, and then we'll go from there. I will keep you guys posted. Let's clean. This was for little friends, little figurines, Hatchimals and things like that. So I'm going to put this back. And this was for kitchen and their little kitchen supplies and stuff. Actually, you know what I'm thinking about doing, guys? I think I'm going to do this. I think, look at this. Oh, it's such a disaster. I don't know where to start. Okay, I think I'm going to, I'm really just tempted to dump all of it out. This one was for small cars and wheels. This was for puzzles, which I'm thinking about just tossing this whole, let's keep it 100. This is going into the garage. This we can keep because these are their little Hatchimal friends, their little figurines. This can stay, but I'm going to clean it up. I think I'm only going to keep the Hatchimals. I don't think I'm going to keep anything else. This was for miscellaneous, and boy, is it miscellaneous. Alright, moving on to this huge pile of stuff. Let's get on it. Let's tackle it and sort it out and put things into this drawer. So for the books, these belong inside. These will go into the bench here, this orange bench, where a lot of their books are. So now they have more space to put other things if they need. Alright guys, it's all done. 2 large bags of trash. Actually 1 garage and 1 trash.